Ancient Egyptian ceramics. The student of ceramic art has reason to be interested in the history of Egyptian art. No other time in antiquity was so powerful and had such an influence in the department of the present study. Each new discovery is made that led to the belief that the art of pottery glaze, which was, to the extent known, the highest means to combine beauty with utility, first invented by the Egyptians or nearly 4,000 years, was never practiced by a nation which has not, directly or indirectly, to learn from them. The Egyptians made two types of pottery, one, ordinary soft pottery, the other, a coarse, gritty, made in bulk and character and lacking cohesion, sandy, friable, very white, but always covered a strong glaze or enamel. This material has been used mainly for small objects, seldom for vases. The beauty of the enamel on these objects was the envy of potters in modern times. Blue has never been surpassed, if, indeed, it has never been equaled. These grades range from the most intense bluing of pure turquoise and pale blue colors around white. Types of pottery were found first areas Chassa and Badari, dating from 5500 to 4000 BC. The pots were generally Chassa, a dark red color formed in a tulip shape with engraved designs around the outside of the pot. Badara pots made of a lighter than clay pots Chassa were baked at very high temperatures and placed upside down in the ashes cool, giving them a distinct black rim. There were canopic jars for stone which contained the inner parts of the body were removed before embalming, and mummies were deposited with them in the stomach, hair, lungs and liver. Osirian figures were small objects in enamel pottery deposited with the dead, mummies representative. They looked each other in the hieroglyphic legends painted or impressed on them. Ceramic pots filled with food offerings were left in the graves. The study of pottery has also been very important in the study of regional development and trade. Today we find more evidence of the influence of Egypt in the region by pot shards. Pottery pre-dynastic Egypt was often surprisingly good quality. Badarian period pottery was made without the use of a potter's wheel, and it was usually the woman who turned pottery. These beautiful pieces have been polished to a glossy finish and fired, leaving a black upper and lower part, the section of a deep red.